Today, I have something really special. Brisket. Not just any brisket. This is a full-blooded Wagyu brisket. This is what they call their competition brisket. It's larger than what you would buy from them normally online. This is from Vermont Wagyu. I'll put a link to their website in the description. Definitely go check them out. They're in Springfield, Vermont. And I don't think they have these listed on their website. I think you have to call them if it's something you're interested in. But let's get started. I'm gonna make this really simple. Just gonna do a really quick trim on this and put some basic seasonings on it, and it's gonna go in the smoker. Let's see if I can get it out of here without making too much of a mess. Still a little bit chilly out here, as you can tell. I'm wearing my coat. It's supposed to be a nice day, but it's not yet. What? Yeah. Now they've already trimmed this quite a bit, but I'm going to take it a little bit further. I'm going to take this whole section right here right off. And that's not going to get thrown away. I'm going to use that in a stew. Anything that's kind of loose or hanging, taking that off. I'm not a master trimmer here of brisket, but any hard fat. Wagyu is such a well-marbled meat, even as a brisket. You really don't need much fat cap at all. I've only cooked Wagyu brisket twice before, but I actually found it to almost be too juicy. It was almost oily in a way. So I'm gonna make sure that I give this a really nice trim. Try not to make it too oily. This whole end chunk right here, just take that right off. Like I said, I'm saving all this stuff for stews. Before I start touching my seasoning bottles and everything, I have to go wash my hands. This would have been hard to do with gloves and then staying clean. Do it however you want to do it, but I'm gonna wash my hands and then I'll start doing the one clean hand method while I try to season this. Hopefully no animals come and take this while I'm washing my hands. It's kind of risky to leave it here. We'll just hope. All right, success. We didn't lose our brisket to any dogs or cats or anything. Bears. We've had a bear around here a lot lately. All right, let's get all these open. So I have here is just some different colored pepper and some salt. Something my father-in-law got me for Christmas. We're just gonna put a whole bunch of that right on there. This is gonna be a super simple rub. I'm not gonna be putting a whole lot of seasonings in there because I really want the Wagyu flavor to come through. more salt. Garlic powder. A little bit of onion salt. And a little bit of celery salt. Lots of salt. Now I'll just pat that all on. Give it a flip. And on this side, I'm not going to do the grinder because it would take 2 hands. I have 1 clean hand. So we'll just go with the salt. Garlic powder. Celery salt. And onion salt. Pat it down. And on to the smoker. There it is on my pellet grill, smoking away. Got a meat thermometer in it. Here's my wireless meat thermometer. I'm gonna cook this hot and fast at 275 until it's a temperature of about 200 to 203 degrees in the point. I have not decided yet if I'm gonna end up wrapping this or not. I'm hoping to not wrap it, and we will see how it goes. I've been smoking for 3 hours. We're already up to 183 degrees. Faster than I expected. Wonder if maybe I don't have my probe in a good spot. Might try moving it. That seems a little bit too quick. Saying 160 now. I bet I had that probe stuck right in a chunk of fat that's been rendering down. 160 makes a little bit more sense for a temperature. Juices are just pouring out of the hole I pulled the probe out of. Alright, so we'll let this keep going. It's been just 5 hours and we're already at 196. So I wasn't planning on this being done that soon, so I'm actually going to crank the temperature down to 225. I probably should have cooked it at 250 instead of 275. After 7.5 hours, with the last 2 hours being at 225, the first 5 hours being at 275, we are at 199. I think it's time to pull it. So let's get this off. All right, so you just saw me cut up the brisket, so you know it's done, and it's juicy, and looks good. But is it any good? Yeah, I'd say it's pretty darn good. This one didn't come out oily like I've had in the past. It's actually like, it's perfect. I probably overcooked it a hair because it just cooked faster than I expected it to cook. But, I mean, it is just, it's great. Super tender. Hardly any pull. Some pieces did have a little bit of pull, but not a ton. It's excellent. I highly recommend it. Definitely check out Vermont Wagyu. Links in the description if you want to give them a shot. At least sign up for their email list, because they send offers all the time in email of like package deals that they have going on and things like that. And right now, with the possibility of a huge shortage in meat, you know, hopefully they don't run out, but hey, give them a shot. Check it out. Thanks for watching.